Hello, Sanbonani. My name is CBO. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Today we are making a budget-friendly Christmas dessert with just 3 ingredients: strawberries, biscuits and cream. Let's begin. Wash and chop strawberries, then put them in a bowl. Set them aside. In another bowl, beat heavy cream until stiff peaks. Do not overmix. In another container, make sugar water. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Layer the bottom of your presentation container with cream. Apologies, I didn't set my camera correctly. You layer the cream first, then dip your biscuits or cookies in sugar water. Place them on top of the cream until you cover the whole surface area of the cream. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Follow with another layer of cream. Keep alternating the layers. Then a layer of strawberries. Then followed by a layer of cream. It is like a trifle. It is a trifle. Again, layer with cookies or biscuits dipped in sugar water so they can soften. Keep alternating until the top layer is strawberries. Then refrigerate for 30 minutes. And there you are. You can start serving. This one can be done even on the day. Please press the like button and leave a comment below about this recipe. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your time. Hope to see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.